Good morning, children. I am Nishi Arora. With me, Pooja Pareva. Today, we shall study class 11th, subject English, textbook, Hornbill, lesson 6, landscape of the soul, part 1, summary. Dear children, this lesson is written by Nathalie Trouvray. This lesson is based mainly on arts. The writer compares between two forms of arts, Chinese arts and European arts, by using different stories. We shall study about this in the summary. Okay, let's start. Summary. In China, during the 8th century, the Tang Emperor Xuanzong commissioned a painter, Wu Dozi, to decorate a wall in the palace. It was his last painting. Word meaning: Emperor, Samrat, decorate, sajana, wall, दीवार, palace, महल. The master had hidden his work behind a screen, so only the emperor would see it. Word meaning: screen, पर्दा. Wu Dozi painted beautiful scenery with mountains, waterfalls, forests, as well as clouds and sky. Now, we shall learn word meaning. Scenery, प्राकृतिक दृश्य. Waterfall, झरना. Forest, जंगल. In second story, a painter did not draw a dragon's eye, fearing it would become real and fly out of his painting. Word meaning: draw, चित्र बनाना. Fear, डरना. Real, असली. Third story represents a European art form which tells about a master blacksmith, Quinton Metzes. Word meaning blacksmith, lohar. He sneaked into the painter's studio and painted a fly on his latest panel. Word meaning sneak, घुसना. The painter accepted him as a trainee in his studio and later he became one of the famous painters of his time. Word meaning accept, स्वीकार करना, famous, प्रसिद्ध. These stories illustrate the different forms of art in two different regions. In Europe, an artist wants the viewer to see an actual viewpoint of the painting. Word meaning illustrate, उदाहरण देकर स्पष्ट करना. Region, क्षेत्र. Viewer, दर्शक. In Chinese paintings, the artist does not paint a real one. The viewer can enter the painting from any point of his own imagination. Word meaning enter, प्रवेश. Imagination, कल्पना. The artist wants the viewer to enter his mind and create a path of his own. This concept is called Shen Shui, which means mountain water. Word meaning Shen Shui, पहाड़ का पानी. When they are used together, they make the word landscape. Word meaning landscape, भूदृश्य. Dear children, now we understand that art is an infinite form. Now we will do question answers of this lesson in part 2. Okay? Thank you. Bye bye.